Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create Godown in Tally. When we want to maintain inventory, then we can use Godown to maintain inventory reports. Godown is used when particular organization is manufacturing and transporting that product to other companies. So we maintain inventory in this case. So for that purpose, Godown is used. Now to create Godown, first go to the right hand side bottom area or press F11 to configure the features and go to the inventory features. Now in storage and classification groups, go to the maintain multiple Godowns and select yes instead of no and enter yes. Now press escape key and quit from the company features. Now go to the gateway of Tally and select inventory info and go to the Godowns. Now to create Godowns, select create Godown and in single Godown group. So you will see one form of Godown creation. You can also configure Godown creation form using F12 key. Do you want to allow alias along with names? I am pressing yes. If you are giving alias in different language like Hindi or Gujarati or any other language, then you have to select here yes. If you want to set use address for Godown, then you have to set here yes, because when you print reports, then you can see where the Godown is located, or you will also see Godown address on that report. So I am pressing yes. Now you can see the Godown address is also one field of Godown creation. Now I am giving Godown name. So my Godown is in Ahmedabad and I have multiple Godown in Ahmedabad. So I am giving Godown number 1, Ahmedabad 1. I am not giving alias. I am pressing address which is Navrangpura. Now select main location and accept. Now I am giving one more Godown which is Ahmedabad 2. I am pressing address is Maninagar and giving main location. Now there can be a one case that I want to see inventory of all the Godown at one place only. Not I want to calculate separate inventory for Godown 1, Godown 2, but I want to see all inventory of all Godowns. So for that I have to create one main Godown and I am giving its Ahmedabad main. Address is only Ahmedabad and create under main location. Press yes. Now press escape key and come out from this Godown creation. Now go to the alter option and alter the Ahmedabad 1 and Ahmedabad 2 as I am showing you. Instead of main location, select Ahmedabad main. So we are creating this Ahmedabad 1 under Ahmedabad main and save it. Similar for Ahmedabad 2, I am creating this under Ahmedabad main. So now when we want to see the all inventory of Ahmedabad 1 and Ahmedabad 2 both together, then we can use this Ahmedabad main to see the inventory of both. So this way we can create Godown in Tally for the inventory purpose. Thank you.